Every customer seeks the best deal by trying to negotiate for it. A sales consultant plays an important role in assuring the customer that the best deal is offered to them. But this stage can be a deal maker or a deal breaker. Let me tell you why. No matter how happy a customer is with the whole process, there is always a chance that they will postpone their decision or may change their mind of buying if they don't get the right deal. Hence, a sales consultant has to carefully guide the customer through this process by being transparent with all the information and at the same time build a strong value around our offer. In the last section, we saw that Mr. Kumar has opted for finance and is interested in exchanging his old car. In this stage, we will see how the sales consultant negotiates and moves towards the closure of the deal.
Sir, we have evaluated your car and we'll be offering you a price of 3,15,000 rupees for your Hyundai i20 model 2014 petrol.
Oh, come on, give me a break. I'm getting a much better offer in the market. I mean, look at the car, it's in a brand new condition. I've only driven it for 35,000 kilometers in last 4 years.
Right, sir, I understand. The car is in an absolutely fine condition.
See?
However, you seem to be the third owner of the car.
Oh, I don't know about that, Sameer, but what you're offering me is too less for me. 3.15 lakhs is just too less for me.
Sir, we are also offering an additional exchange bonus over and above the trade-in value that we're offering. Trust me, sir, this is the best we can offer you.
Oh. But Sameer, you're not offering anything else.
Sir, what we're offering is actually the best. Let me tell you a few points which may not be visible in the offer. You see, when you exchange your car with us, we ensure that your transaction is hassle-free.
Okay.
There is minimum documentation required and your car is in absolutely safe hands.
Okay.
You won't even have to worry about RC transfer. We'll take care of that. Sir, all of these features will not be available to you if you choose any other source of trading, like a broker, an online platform, or an individual.
Okay.
So besides this, we're also offering some amazing maintenance packages, warranty, and extended service packages like, so for example, you can have a look. So these are the option number 1 here,
Okay.
and third. So you can choose from any one of them.
Okay. See, this is good, but I think what you're offering is not that attractive for me. So,
Trust me, sir, this is the best. Besides this, it's the start of a new relationship for us. We assure you to provide a class-apart experience throughout your relationship with us.
see, I know the experience has been fantastic so far, but I'm still not sure if I
Sir,
wanna...
trust me, you won't regret making this deal at all.
Okay, done. But only because you offered me this coffee without sugar.
All right, sir. So let me summarize our deal for you.
Sure.
Sameer lists down the complete offer for the customer on his iPad and highlights the final EMI to the customer after trade-in, exchange discounts, down payment, RSA, etc. The idea is to create value by showing a final offer.
So, sir, your delivery would be on the 10th of next month as decided by you.
That's right.
Sir, can we have a small celebration in the dealership and arrange for a birthday cake for your wife?
That'll be nice.
All right, great, sir. So, sir, can we go ahead with the booking because I'll need to block the vehicle today so that we can make the delivery on time.
Okay, what is the booking amount?
Sir, just a minute. Sir, this is the booking amount.
Okay.
Would you like to pay by card, cash or check? You can also use any e-wallet to do the same.
No, I think card would be fine.
All right, sir. I'll just get the swiping machine.
Sure.
Sir, here's your payment receipt copy
Okay.
and your card. Sir, just give me a minute. I'll just get the performer invoice.
All right.
Sir, here's your performer invoice for the booking amount.
Okay.
Sir, should I explain you about the further process?
Sure.
Sir, here's a list of documents like your residential proof, identity proof, etc., which are required to initiate the exchange process and the new car registration process.
Okay, but Sameer, I would need few days to arrange these.
No problem, sir. When can I come and collect them from you?
How about coming Wednesday? But give me a call before coming.
Sure, sir, I'll do that. So I'll see you on this Wednesday.
Sure.
Sir, here is a list of important documents for your reference.
Oh, that's great. All right. Thank you.
All right, sir. Shall we proceed?
Sure.
In this video, we saw how Sameer handled the negotiation and moved towards the closure of the deal by collecting the documents. He negotiated with Mr. Kumar by focusing on the selling value and a long-term relationship. Before moving ahead to the next phase of the sales process, let's have a look at the highlights of this process. Number 1, always state clear information regarding the deals and discounts, if any. Number 2, be thoroughly prepared about the variables: money, time, conditions, discounts, terms, etc. Number 3, emphasize on the 4+4+4 plan offered by Škoda. Number 4, clearly state the documents required so that the deals can be closed at a faster rate. Number 5, introduce the customers to the respective role holders for further processes. Number 6, the sales consultant should carefully confirm and verify the car model, variant and the color of the car. Number 7, commit the delivery date only after checking the availability in the DMS. Number 8, have clarity on a feasible range, the price below which you should not close the deal. And number 9, if the customer wants to negotiate for a lower price than it's worth, one possible reason for this is that the customer does not see value in the product. In such a scenario, focus on value selling and help the customer see value in the vehicle instead of focusing only on price negotiations. Number 10, booking amount can vary from region to region.